What's up, guys? How's it going? I wanted to make an update video to my Chase Bays filler neck install, because last time we left off with I was still having an overheating issue, which was entirely caused by a clogged radiator, which was my fault. I left the cleaning agent in for too long and that clogged up the radiator, so I was able to get a new one sent out from Mishi, and that fixed the problem immediately. Car doesn't even hit 180 driving hard. So my main reason for adding the filler neck was, one, to get rid of the ugly expansion tank, and to also make the process of bleeding the coolant a lot easier. Instead of having to fill each individual hose and then fill the tank, I just raised the filling point, and then I also add another cap to make it even higher, to make the coolant bleeding easy. I have one hose coming off the top of the filler neck that does go to a Mishimoto overflow tank, small one, nice tucked away, and the other port just leads back into the radiator. I still never found the correct hose to fit between the filler neck and the crossover pipe. Still has a very, very small kink in it, but that really doesn't affect cooling in any ways. So overall, very happy with the install. Little modification needed, but I think it's 100% worth it, and it cleans up the engine bay and makes bleeding the coolant a lot easier. So if you guys have any other questions, put them down in the comment section down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @TheMassDriver. Don't forget to check out my parts page at Rage Parts, and I will put everything down, all the products in this video down in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.